Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, since you are all aware that we are dealing with the chapter political parties, today we will discuss the important topic of the chapter. The name of the topic is Origin of Party System in J&K. Origin of Party System in J&K. In J&K, since you know, one political party, namely National Conference, has played a dominant role in the political system of the state of J&K. National Conference is the chief party of state representing a historical conscience since its formation in 1938. It has enjoyed continuing support and trust of people of J&K because of its some fundamental agendas. The Jammu and Kashmir National Conference has always remained the favorite party of the residents of Jammu and Kashmir, as it is the party that fought for the freedom of state and its people. Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah was the founder of this party. In 1965, the National Conference, under the leadership of Ghulam Muhammad Sadiq, merged into Indian National Congress. Thus, up to 1970, single-party dominance was the feature of party system in Jammu and Kashmir state. Since then, the Congress, in its origin in 1885, as you know, it was set up. This party was designed in the year 1885 by A.O. Hume. This party, Indian National Congress, has played an important role in Jammu and Kashmir as well. The main party which remained, National Conference, which governed the state over decades together, then the Indian National Congress or the Congress Party is the another party of the region of J&K, in the state of J&K. It also played a vital role in the development of the state. Similarly, the BJP 1980 has also become an important party of Jammu and Kashmir, as it managed with the tie-up of People's Democratic Party. Both these parties set up the coalition government in J&K and became the partners of the state government. Recently, you saw that this partnership has fallen into a great grudge. Their tie-up failed, and you know that nowadays we have a governor rule in J&K. Now we have some more parties. We have People's Conference. It is also its founder was Abdul Ghani Lone. It is also an old political party in J&K, and PDP is not as old as this People's Conference. The founder of People's Democratic Party was Mufti Muhammad Saeed. Similarly, few other parties like Awami Ittihad Party, whose founder is Engineer Rashid, and similarly there are other parties which are trying their best to maintain their standard in the state. But two parties are too much familiar. One is this National Conference, who has governed the state for a long period of time, and similarly Indian National Congress, who has governed the whole country for a long period of time, for decades together. These two parties are the old parties in the state, and now another party which is a nationwide party is BJP. It is also trying to make its recognition in J&K, and small other parties also try their best to maintain their standard among the people of J&K. So, my dear students, all these parties have managed to somehow, but the origin of this party system has been laid by National Conference in the state. So, dear students, this was our today's lesson. Let's go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.